Hiccups aren't just random, they're a glitch in your body. They happen when your diaphragm suddenly spasms. That's the muscle that controls your breathing. When it jerks, air gets pulled into your lungs fast, and your vocal cords snap shut. That's what makes the hic sound. But what actually triggers it? Eating too fast, drinking soda, swallowing air, even sudden temperature changes in your stomach. And here's the problem. There's no real purpose behind it. It's just a leftover reflex your body never got rid of. So once it starts, your body struggles to shut it off.